Plank pose or Khumbhakasana is an unbalancing yoga pose that tones the abdominal muscles while strengthening the arms and spine. Its name comes from the Sanskrit word Khumbhak, which means breath retention, and asana, which means pose. In the traditional practice of this pose, you would hold your breath for a brief moment before lowering your body into the low push-up position, which is Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Plank is an essential component of sun salutation and is often used as a traditional pose in which the breath is not held. It can also be practiced on its own to build strength and stamina. Begin on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Breathe smoothly and evenly through your nose. Spread your fingers and press down through your forearms and hands. Do not let your chest to collapse. Gaze down between your hands, lengthening the back of your neck and drawing your abdominal muscles toward your spine. Inhale and step back with your feet, bringing your body and head into one straight line. Keep your head in line with your spine. Broaden across your shoulder blades and across your collarbones. Draw down through the base of your index fingers. Do not let your hands roll open toward the pinky fingers. Lengthen your tailbone towards your heels and the legs are engaged strongly and send the heels to the back of your mat. To release, exhale, slowly lower onto your knees, then send your hip back onto your heels.